how to enable or disable automatically convert images and videos to ensure compatibility when sharing in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in here, we go back to the gallery homepage and then select a picture. So you can select one or more pictures and then tap on share. Next, at the top here, tap on options and then tap on automatically convert images and videos. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So make sure you set these settings before you sharing the image. So here to ensure display on all devices, P3 images will be converted to sRGB images, HDR10 Plus or HDR and high resolution videos will be converted to standard quality, and slow motion videos will be converted to play at the same speed that they appear on your phone. Now after that, tap on the back key and then now you can start to share the image or video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.